everyone, and welcome back to the Myles Auto Care and Transmissions channel. We know how crucial it is to have reliable windshield wipers. Today, we're deep diving into the world of wiper blades, how they work, how to choose the right ones, and why they're so important for your safety. So how do windshield wipers actually work? It's a pretty ingenious system. Typically, a small electric motor powers a linkage system. This linkage converts the motor's rotational motion into the back and forth sweeping motion of the wiper arms. The blades themselves are made of flexible rubber, designed to clear water and debris from your windshield without scratching the glass. Now, choosing the right wiper blades may seem daunting, but don't worry, we're here to help. As we mentioned in our blog, here are the key steps. First, check your car's owner's manual. Manufacturers often specify the exact size and types of blades your vehicle needs. This eliminates the guesswork. Next, if you have existing wipers, measure them. Use a tape measure to get the exact length of each blade. Remember, driver and passenger side blades may differ in size. Then, look for special features. Some vehicles require conventional, flat, or hybrid blades. These are designed for specific aerodynamic needs or windshield shapes. Consider your local climate and driving conditions. Here in the Berks County area, with our April showers and occasional snow, you might need heavy-duty rain or winter blades. If you drive on dusty roads, look for blades with built-in filters. And of course, if you're still unsure, consult a professional. Our team at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions in Reading, Birdsboro, and Singing Spring is always ready to help. Why is this so important? Clear visibility is paramount for safe driving. Worn or incorrect wipers can lead to dangerous situations, especially during heavy rain and snow. At Myles Auto Care and Transmissions, we're dedicated to help keeping you safe on the road. We can help you with all of your auto repair needs, including wiper blade selection and installation. Remember, regular wiper blade checks are essential. We recommend replacing them every 6 to 12 months or sooner if you're noticing any streaking or reduced performance. If the streaks don't clear in 3 swipes, it's time to replace. So next time you're thinking of April showers or just want to ensure your safety, remember these tips. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to visit us at any of our 3 Berks County locations in Reading, Birdsboro, and Sinking Spring. And keep your eyes out for something new on the horizon. Shh! We're here to help you see clearly no matter the weather.